Google just dropped Nano Banana Pro, and today I'm going to show you what's new, how it's different from Nano Banana 1, and how it stacks up against the top image generators on the market. I'm testing everything inside FLORA, which is the backbone of my one-person AI creative studio. So what's new in Nano Banana? Nano Banana Pro is a surprisingly big upgrade. You get higher fidelity images, so much sharper textures, better lighting, and cleaner edges. You get much better humans, so faces, hands, anatomy, all are noticeably improved. You get faster rendering, so it's lightweight, responsive, and efficient. And you get cleaner prompt handling, especially with longer prompts and complex scenes. Most importantly, you get true 2K and 4K outputs, which is a really big deal. Here's where Nano Banana Pro genuinely stands out compared to other small and mid-sized models. The first is product placement. This is the big one. The 4K clarity makes products pop. Shapes, edges, surfaces are all super clean. Not yet perfect, but close to it. This is way ahead of a lot of the other models, which make the details of the product a lot more crisp. Text to image is another big one, so you don't really get much garbled text with Nano Banana Pro, which instantly makes it more useful for ad creatives, posters, thumbnails, and social content. The third one is character development. You get strong lighting, higher realism, and better consistency, which make it great for developing characters in multiple poses or scenes. And then image to image. So Nano Banana Pro produces much higher quality image to image transformations, which is great for product placements, redesigns, variations, and refining sketches or reference images. Where is Nano Banana good but not the best? In fashion photography, architecture, interior design, and general scenic work, Nano Banana Pro performs well, but it's more comparable to other modern models. Not worse, not wildly better. You might be thinking, what are some of the practical use cases? So whether you're a creative professional, a freelancer, or a studio, Nano Banana Pro is perfect for product building focused ads, generating clean brand visuals, developing characters and storyboards, running a fast one-person creative studio, producing higher quality work in a fraction of the time. It's fast, it's sharp, and for day-to-day creative output, it definitely punches above its weight. If you want to build your own one-person AI creative studio and stay ahead of the creative curve, head to Escapism.ai and sign up for my free newsletter. I'll teach you everything I'm using to develop client work and build my own one-person creative studio. Thank you for watching.